Hey Grant, how's it going? It's Bree here with Northland Marketing. Now that I have the correct website, I'm going to do an audit of your site, some of the people in the area, what they're doing, and how we can get you to the top of Google. So, taking a look at your site, this is a much nicer looking site than the other one. I like that it has a call to action right away. Talks a lot about DC, so this is good. There's keywords in there. One day bathroom remodeling, love this. A little bit about you guys. Gallery, love that too. Testimonials, excellent. Okay. So overall, this site is looking pretty good so far. See that you have multiple locations. Let's see if you have service area pages. Okay. Looks like you do have service area pages. Excellent. Okay. That was going to be the next thing I recommended, but it looks like you already have them. So far at a glance, the site is looking pretty good. The one thing that I think could probably be improved upon is getting a little bit more content on this homepage. Usually we recommend about a minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage. It may not need to go that large, but definitely getting some more content on here and some more keywords as well. But so far the site really is looking pretty good. So let's go a little bit more into the back end and what's going on. I did a Google search for bathroom remodeling, Washington, D.C. The first thing that pops up is Google guaranteed ads. I'm not sure if you have run these before or not, or if you're currently running them. If you're not, I highly recommend you start running these. This is something we can help you with. They work fabulously. And they're an alternative to PPC ads. Below here, this is called the map pack, and the top 3 listed are going to be the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The way you can get yourself into these top 3 positions is 1, by having one, of course. 2, filling it out as much as possible. Name, address, phone numbers, reviews. You can post to the profile weekly, like social media. I mean, really engaging with your profile. And then 3, getting your name, address, and phone number listed in as many online directories, relevant directories as possible. Things like Yelp or Yellow Pages. Getting yourself listed on these profiles are going to help increase your online footprint and therefore get you widely recognized. Now, let's take a look at the top website here, Metropolitan Bath and Tile. So looking at their site, they've got a pretty nice site too. This is something else I recommend, just having a bar on your site that shows you have good reviews and ratings on other sites. Okay, a bit about them. Inspiration. I do like this section as well, find your inspiration. Family owned and operated, experience the difference, testimonials, visit a showroom. Okay. So they've got a pretty nice site as well. You can see that they've got a lot of content on here. Well, not a lot, but I believe they have more content on here than you do. So we'll want to at least beat them out content-wise. I went ahead and put them into a software called Ahrefs. This is what I use to research kind of the back end of websites and what's going on. So to start, I want to go over their UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important for where we fall within the search results. So these are their numbers. These are your numbers. Okay. Now, your DR rating is higher than theirs, but your UR rating is lower than theirs. Now, I'm going to kind of go over a little bit about what this means. So a DR rating is a power rating. This is the overall site rating. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating. So this is how trustworthy is the site. Now, one of the main ways you can raise these numbers is through something called a backlink. Essentially what a backlink is a shout out or an endorsement from another website. So if there's another website and they said, hey everyone, go check out Metro Bath and Tile. They're the best ever, with a clickable link to their site. That's a backlink or an endorsement. We're able to actually click on these, go through the ones they have, and see what ones we can attain for your site. Lastly, and most importantly, I want to go over the keywords. These are the keywords that I was talking about before. For example, bathroom remodel, Washington, D.C. There's approximately 80 people Googling this per month. Bathroom remodeling, Washington, D.C., approximately 70. Bathroom remodel, D.C., 30. Bathroom dash remodel, 20. Bathroom remodeling it. I'm not going to go through every one, but we can see just for bathroom remodeling, there's quite a bit of search volume in D.C., especially if you're serving surrounding towns, which I know that you are, and you have other services. That makes a lot of opportunity for a lot of eyeballs to be getting on your site. Now, if we take a look at your website's ratings, as I mentioned, your DR is really pretty powerful, but your UR is lacking. So at a glance, there's a lot of power to the site, but it's not as trustworthy as it could be. This could be a lack of citations. This could be maybe some of those sites that are giving you power a little spammy. Like we would need to kind of look into there a little bit more, but this is going to be a big focus to raise this number. If we take a look at your keywords, we can see kitchen remodeling, Washington, D.C. You're in approximately 10th place. That's not bad. Georgetown roofing contractors, roughly 4th. Nice. Roofing in Georgetown, 11th. Georgetown. So you're really sitting in a great place. You're right outside the top spots. There's a lot of keywords that you're either in top 10 or right outside of top 10, which is a great place. Now it's just getting you up into those top 10 places. So getting more content on that homepage. It's going to be getting some more keywords in that homepage, and it's going to be getting a little bit more power to the site and maybe more trustworthy power, and definitely getting some more citations. I'd also want to go through the site and look and see sometimes if the site is slow, if it's not loading as fast as possible, if it's not quite optimized as best it could be, this can affect it as well. So we would be doing a full audit of your site and kind of getting to the bottom of what's holding you back from getting into the top 10 positions. I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you further. Have a great day.